guys, what's up? Today we're making slime. So first thing first, you pour in the glue. I already did. So I got some paints that are scented. So I'm going to kind of add blue and pink. This one's strawberry, this one's blueberry. And yeah. So first step, add the glue. We already did that. Sometimes I add slime a little different. Just do as much as you want. Whoa. Then you need to close it because you don't want the paint to spill. Then try to get as much blue paint as pink paint that you have done. Or if you want more pinkish, you can add more pink, or if you want more bluish, just add more blue. Now, different people add different things to their slime. Right now, I'm just going to add normal slime. So, I have done mine. It looks really cool if you guys just mix it together slightly. It'll be like little marble color. If you guys want marble color more, you're gonna have to add the activator before your glue. I did not. So you really gotta mix it though. There's actually different ways to get marble. I'm not really going marble. This is gonna add like purplish, light bluish. And it looks like pool, like a wave pool or something. You got no hands, just like this. And then get more kind of, you want to try to get all the paint that you added in there. It's going to get kind of purplish, pinkish, bluish. If you do exactly what I did, marble, and it just goes. So after you're done with that, usually you just get a bowl. That's for mine. You're always going to get an extra spoon, at least 2. So let me go get that. Extra spoon. Okay. So usually I just put in a bowl instead of just adding in it, because you don't know how much you need or how much people want to do it. So I usually just start off with 2 or 3. Right now I'm gonna do 2 because if it looks all like paperish or like paperish kind of like lines or wrinkles, like this. Wait. See those? Those are what I'm calling wrinkles. Like they're like, I don't know if you guys could completely see that. That means you probably have enough until you really want to mix it, because you don't want your fingers to be all like messy. So if it doesn't look like it's all coming up to a ball, you add at least 1 more to be 3, and then just carry on. Then it would get kind of thicker to do it. So I'm almost done. Soon I'll be done. Sorry guys, I didn't really brush my hair, but looks all chunky. Feel it. Wow, it's so gluey. If you think it's ready, you always just want to put one finger, just touch it. And if it's like all gluey and stuff, sticky, at least add one final, activator, borax, whatever, really, that you want to use. Now it would get a little more sticking together, but some slime doesn't work completely as well. So I got some Nickelodeon slime activator. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit because this might add a tiny, just a tiny bit to start off because this is actually kind of strong. Whoa. Yeah, I just really got like thicker stuff. If it goes all the way through, like just, or if it's harder, it probably, if it's like all chunky and weird, yeah, it's so gluey. Now if you have some trouble with some, you might need to add some more activators, but you don't add like 10, because if you add 10 or too much, the slime will get all like wrong, or like when you try to stretch it, it just stop right there and just cut it in half. So I'm just going to do this. Now mine's getting thicker. See, if you guys just scoop it up, the more you get, the better, because that means it's actually becoming more like slime, because slime isn't like in particles. It's actually together in one big piece. Oh, it's like see-through. I can see you guys through it. Well, kind of. If you guys just want to make like, if you just add like clear glue, and you don't add any coloring or at all anything, it would just be clear. But if you have white glue, it will not be clear. So if you do like light colors, like pink maybe, or like baby blue, something like that, it would still be kind of see-through, or like kind of clear, because there's a light. But it's very weird how you do it. I'm gonna add some more, just I think that might have been too much. So yeah, guys, you really need to mix it more than mine, because I think I just ruined the slime. I haven't made slime in like a year, so it's good. Good for slime. I got it out. Yay! No. Whoa. It's hand. Let's see if I can go with this. Oh, this is my weak hand. Left is my weak hand. If you really think it's ready, just put its hand in there. Mine's so gooey. Comment down below if you know how to fix gooey slime. I do not. Well, I used to, but I totally forgot, because I haven't made slime in forever. In a very long time. To get it off, kind of just rubs it off. Gotta do this. more. Well, I think I completely ruined it. I just like saying activator, just getting in the slime. I think I added way too much spraying. It's like sticking to the bowl. That's how sticky it is. It's so sticky to my fingers. I did it. I got it. So mine's like the blue completely just took over because blue is a stronger color than. Yeah, fail. But it's still slime. Very crunchy. Ready? Look. This is stick. Okay, yeah. Just gonna scoop that over. Do that. You always want to make sure this doesn't stain because stain is usually stays there forever. This doesn't stretch. So I know this won't make a bubble for sure. So, fail. Make another slime video soon. If you guys think I should do teaching you guys how to skateboard, because I know how to skateboard, comment down below and give a like to this video. This time it's actually pretty good. It's not the best. Also, guys, one time, well, a couple times, well, actually, it will work kind of better if it's like all this. If you add some more glue, it doesn't always work, but you can always try because trying, you wouldn't know if you like it or like if it works if you never try it. So I'm just gonna kind of try it. And just add it. I should have done that. Yeah, I don't think if this works, it's probably not gonna work because you have to like get everything perfect for kind of it to work. It's very bouncy though. It won't get all the way through now. Just bouncing back up. Gotta get all the glue in. All of it in. Yeah. Should have done that. If you add more glue, you got to add some more activator. It's a few drops. That was more than a few drops, like 6. And then I'm trying to get, it'll kind of just get better, like more into the slime, the glue. Come on, glue, come on, glue, come on, glue. Glue! Hop in, get in. Come on, glue. Glue actually makes it look like more like smooth because it's like all glowy and stuff. You gotta really mix it in. Gotta go for it. It's so gluey. I don't want my hands to be all gluey. 2R. Just wipe it on the bowl. Nothing to see here. The bowl is almost fully. I just have this one time. None of the bowl. I have to do this. Hit it. Nope. That ain't happening. Just gotta go for what you gotta go for. So gooey. Hopefully no one heard that. probably did. My hands are gonna be so gluey after this. Oh no. You do not want it to fall on the floor. Now the floor is all gluey, but how do you fix this? Okay guys, so I know for sure the one thing that might help if you put it in glue. If you put it in the refrigerator for just a couple, for a tiny bit actually. Refrigerator. So I'm gonna put it in there. First, put it in the freezer, not refrigerator. But first, one more time. That's just really good. Yep. Not good. Yeah. You gotta open it. Do not touch anything with glue hands. You gotta open it with your elbows. Yeah. It's very hard. Kind of. I did it. Okay. Now I'll get back to you guys. That would be today with another video when that comes out. So, well, try not to. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.